So no one's commenting on your posts that you're creating on Instagram, and no one's engaging in your stories. One key trick is to upgrade your Instagram bio. Before we get into the details of the Instagram bio, I want to make sure that you are subscribed and you have hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time a new video goes live. Remember, I post a video every Tuesday and Thursday. The Instagram bio is one of the most important elements for you to use to get more engagement. The reason why you get more engagement with your Instagram bio is because people, when they land on your page, they know exactly what to do, who you are, and all the details about you so that they can be able to engage with you in a more easy way. So the first thing that you need to pay attention to with your Instagram bio is your headline. Now, the headline usually appears with your username when you are searching in the search bar. So your username and your headline should really tell the person or the new follower or the potential follower who you are and how you're going to help them. So instead of putting your name in your headline, you should really put your position or your title. So if you're a digital marketer, put digital marketer. If you're a strategist, put a strategist. If you're a business coach, put business coach. That way, when you're getting searched or someone's searching business coach, your name will appear. The next thing you need to pay attention to is your Instagram bio. This section is where you're going to tell the person who you are, how you help them, and why it matters. You could do this in so many different ways. You can add in an emoji, you can add in a hashtag. Just make sure it's going to be relevant to your follower. Now remember, you only have 150 characters, so you need to be very wise on what you're saying. You really do need to put in who you are, how you help the person that's going to follow you, and why it really matters or what makes you different. I've created a formula which is going to appear now where you can see exactly how you can put this into action. You don't need to use the exact words, but this is basically how you can set it up. I help blank. So here it would be entrepreneurs, millennials, cake makers, whoever you're helping. You put that in that position, but make sure it's not too long. So I help this person achieve great results by using social media marketing to grow their business online in a strategic and research-based way. So as you can see here, how I help the entrepreneur and what result they're going to get is very clear. I also need to include my name, so you can put your first name if you like. If you don't want to put your name, that's fine. So because my name is short, I was able to put my name in the headline, and I added digital marketer next to my name in the headline. I also added an emoji. This makes it appear very clearly, or my account will stand out from the rest because I'm using emoji. For what I've written for the bio, it literally says, I help struggling entrepreneurs use digital marketing to get growth results. Now this bio could be way more specific. It does the job for me at the moment for the goals that I'm trying to get. While I wrote that bio, I also added the hashtag digital marketing. You can also add in the hashtag, just make sure that your entire bio is not stuffed with hashtag. And then of course, I need my Instagram followers to follow me on my website or in my email list. I tell them, here are free resources that you can sign up for. So they can click the link that appears on my bio and they can go directly into my email list or my guide. Now all these details are found within the guide that I've already created, found in the description box below, and you can go in and download that guide and you can see the several pages that you have. So you have a couple of details about the Instagram bio, but there's a whole bunch of other topics within Instagram that you can use to grow your account. So before we go, I want you to take a screenshot and use this screenshot in your Instagram stories and tag me at Socialize That so I could check out your bio and give you a free audit. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit one of these videos that are appearing on the screen because they will really help you out. That's the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next video.